Hello everyone, after long days here we are again with latest technology of Maybach 2024 GL600 is luxury royal family vehicle to be discussed about the engine is 8 cylinder in 4.0 liter B-turbo with mild hybrid drive engine. It's 9G Tronic 9-speed automatic transmission. It captures the top cover of the engine house and engine compartment is looking huge and wise. This is fiber side covers, finish covers, and everything is perfectly designed. To be close a little bit, come nearly that's to be discussed about the front trake. Look at the front grille is looking huge, and the logo is looking so bright with Mercedes. There's two combinations, Mercedes, Maybach. If you focus on the left side, the Maybach logo is coming with the groups like they mention money, Maybach's logo in here, and also on the right corner is also located that kind of. It's look like a fog light, and the headlight LED headlights body type, so it's bright, so much nice and good combinations, dual colors and fully with brilliant technology. So what do you know something about this vehicle, why it's very important for us and what is important for the peoples they really like and they want to buy this car, and why it's too expensive? Because this vehicle is have bouncing system and bright features related with dynamic, related with suspensions and other many things, like these cars have like bouncing systems, suspension, high powerful dynamic system. Those vehicles really forced me to do that, to create the video and provide you this information related with this high powerful GL600. I ever used these vehicles and I have been experienced to share with you a little bit short video how it look like this bouncing vehicles. To check this video and then we will discuss about the next features about this vehicle. So there was the magic of the bouncings. To continue with the interior about to start it from the interior about the number of passenger seat, it is 5 and 4 additionals. To be mentioned about the front legroom is 40.3 inches, dimension of the front headroom 42.5 inches, and the front shoulder room is 59.3 inches. Related to the rear legroom is 43.4 inches, and the headroom is 40.2, and the rear shoulder on both sides is 56 inches. If we move back to the rear compartment and the rear passenger seat is metal, there is the huge console box for the cup holding, and for the others equipment you can keep it safe. Everything is still metals, and the handrest is high. For the passengers there is extra LCDs, multimedia screens, everything, climate controls. Also the navigation is located on the rear, LCD screens, Wi-Fi, everything you can connect it from here, and also you can watch some news, TVs, or any others movie related with the musics. So you can watch and you can control by yourselves from the rear compartment, and rear passenger seat is located everything in one display, and the huge climate control system is located on this display. Multimedia system and everything is located here. You can control by yourself, and also you can know about the system of the vehicles, and you can watch everything from here. If you focus on the top on the screens, on the tabs, mention this energizing air controls. It can provide you the internal and external air situations, how it look like, how is the air situation and air quality. So it can provide you all that's all the detail about the internal and external detail, related with also that located the seat auto adjustment in here. You can adjust your seats and other thing you can do from here. Also they can provide you related with the climates. Every winter you can change your. To discuss about the door panels, what is available and what is located, that internal as well like the externals, door colors beige and brown combination with soft fabric, auto control seat adjustment, surround all sides, top class sound with 13 Bowmaster speakers. In the middle of both seats is having clean and wide refrigerators which can carry and help you to keep cold your waters bottles and other extra drinks. This can support you on the winter and summer both of seasons. So let's check forward to check out from the other angles. Look at that's the foldable lunch tables and the middle of both seats. It's so easy to take it out, use and fold it back. These lunch tables, dinner tables for any kind, like the time you can use for any other foods. So it's so easy to take it out and fold it back. Yes, look at that, is so easy. So close it back and look at that is the heat seats for extra space for the rear passengers. Like this is giving more relaxations for your body and you can lay down easily in here. This is huge extra seats. On the middle, look at the logo is designed there, and this is the refrigerators. You can keep it a lot of thing in here, money more. So this was the interior. Let's check out the outsides. Look at this is this both side footrest is looking so bright and so soft, easily it's foldable. Coming from the back side, the rear tailgate is here. Open the tailgate. Look at, they are coming with the extra spirit housing and other equipment in here. The tools in here and the huge completed tools. The design is so large, it's cover, extra cover, unique thing, and the huge things from here. So the lights. So this was the short information and a short review about this Mercedes-Benz Maybach GL600 2024. I hope you will like and you will enjoy to watch this video, and you will get more information. If you are interested to watch more video related, you want to get a little bit information about the latest models,
the panel is also mentioned on Maybach,
fresh models, car reviews and others, many more information related with the automobiles, car and vehicles. So you have to subscribe our channels and leave your comments, ask your questions there in the descriptions. We will provide you many more
information to our channels. So this was the short informations. For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget. See you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Thanks once more for watching our video and your support.